Over the past decades, Iran has built one of the region's most diverse military arsenals. From precision ballistic and cruise missiles to advanced UAVs, air defense systems, and naval strike capabilities, its forces are designed around deterrence and asymmetric warfare. In this video, we break down the key weapons shaping Iran's modern military power. The F-14 Tomcat is a twin-engine, two-seat heavy interceptor equipped with a powerful long-range radar and beyond-visual range missile capability. Iran remains the only country outside the United States to operate the Tomcat, using it primarily for long-range air defense and interception missions. The MiG-23 is a variable sweep wing fighter developed by the Soviet Union. Designed for both air-to-air combat and ground attack, it provided Iran with supersonic strike capability and tactical flexibility during its years of service. The Sukhoi Su-22 is a variable geometry strike aircraft built for ground attack missions. Operated in limited numbers, it serves as a tactical strike platform capable of delivering precision and conventional munitions. The Su-25K Frogfoot is a heavily armored close air support aircraft. Built to withstand battlefield damage, it specializes in low-altitude attack missions and direct support for ground forces. The Azarakhsh is an Iranian-developed fighter based on the F-5 platform. Designed to strengthen domestic aviation capability, it serves as a light multi-role fighter and training aircraft within the Iranian Air Force. The Seika is an upgraded variant of the F-5, featuring twin vertical stabilizers and local modifications. Though produced in limited numbers, it represents Iran's effort to maintain and modernize its light fighter fleet. The F-4 Phantom II is a twin-engine, two-seat multi-role fighter capable of both air superiority and strike missions. In Iranian service, upgraded variants continue to perform long-range strike and ground attack operations. The F-5 Tiger II is a lightweight supersonic fighter known for its simplicity and agility. It remains an important platform for pilot training and light combat roles and serves as the foundation for several Iranian-modified variants. The Mirage F-1 is a French-built multi-role fighter capable of air-to-air and strike missions. Aircraft integrated into Iranian service expanded its operational versatility in regional air defense and tactical operations. The Shahed 101 is a compact loitering munition designed for short-range precision strike missions, offering low-cost and rapid deployment capability. The Shahed 107 is a smaller reconnaissance and loitering platform, reportedly designed for intelligence gathering and potential strike roles. The Shahed 129 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV capable of reconnaissance and precision strike with an endurance of around 24 hours. The Shahed 131 is a loitering munition with a delta wing design developed for long-range one-way attack missions. The Shahed 136 is a long-range loitering munition designed for strategic strike missions capable of traveling significant distances before impact. The Shahed 139 is believed to be an extended-range development within the Shahed family, focused on reconnaissance and potential strike operations. The Shahed 147 is reported as a long-range surveillance drone, optimized for intelligence collection and extended flight endurance. The Shahed 149, also known as Gaza, is a large, long-endurance UAV capable of carrying multiple munitions and conducting extended reconnaissance missions. The Shahed 161 is a jet-powered UAV derived from captured drone technology, featuring a flying wing stealth-inspired design. The Shahed 171 is a stealth-style flying wing UAV developed from the RQ-170 platform concept, intended for reconnaissance and advanced strike roles. The Hessa Kaman 12 is a tactical UAV used for reconnaissance and limited strike missions, supporting ground operations. The Hessa Hamasa is a medium-range unmanned aircraft designed for surveillance and potential armed missions. The H-110 Sarir is a vertical takeoff drone platform reportedly designed for reconnaissance and flexible deployment. The Zohal UAV is a smaller reconnaissance drone developed for short-range surveillance and tactical observation. The Mohajer 6 is a combat-capable UAV used for reconnaissance and precision-guided strike missions with endurance exceeding 10 hours. The Zubin is a jet-powered target drone designed primarily for air defense training and missile system testing. The Frigates 110 is a short-range ballistic missile developed as a solid-fuel, road-mobile precision strike system. With a range of roughly 300 kilometers, it forms the backbone of Iran's tactical ballistic missile force. Improved variants, such as the Fateh 313, extend the range to approximately 500 kilometers through lighter composite materials and upgraded propulsion. The Zulfahar further expands that reach to around 700 kilometers, enhancing strike depth while maintaining mobility and rapid launch capability. The Fateh family is designed for high survivability, quick deployment, and precision targeting against strategic and military objectives. The Tandar 69 is based on the Chinese CSS-8 platform and represents one of Iran's earlier short-range ballistic missile systems. With a range of approximately 150 kilometers, it was developed primarily for battlefield and regional strike roles. Although considered older compared to modern solid-fuel systems, the Tandar 69 contributed to the foundation of Iran's domestic missile development programs. The Qaem-1 is a liquid-fueled short to medium-range ballistic missile derived from the Shahab family. With an estimated range of around 800 kilometers, it is notable for its finless design, which reduces radar signature and improves aerodynamic stability. The Qaem-1 is intended for strategic strike missions and has been showcased as part of Iran's regional deterrence capability. The Khaibar-Shekan is a modern solid-fuel medium-range ballistic missile unveiled as part of Iran's next-generation precision strike systems. With a reported range of approximately 1,400 kilometers, it features improved maneuverability during re-entry and enhanced accuracy. Designed for rapid launch and high survivability, the system reflects advancements in solid propulsion and guidance technology. The Khorramshahr is a medium-range ballistic missile believed to be capable of carrying a heavy payload over distances of up to 2,000 kilometers. It is considered one of Iran's more powerful liquid-fuel missile systems, emphasizing payload capacity and long-range strike potential within the region. The Sejil is a two-stage, solid-fuel, medium-range ballistic missile with an estimated range of around 2,000 kilometers. Unlike earlier liquid-fueled systems, the Sejil's solid propulsion enables faster launch preparation and improved operational readiness. It represents a significant step in Iran's transition toward more modern missile technologies. The Hajj Qasem missile is a solid-fuel medium-range ballistic missile with a range reported at approximately 1,400 kilometers. Designed with maneuverable re-entry capabilities, it aims to improve accuracy and survivability against missile defense systems, reinforcing Iran's regional strike doctrine. The Fateh-1 has been presented as Iran's first hypersonic ballistic missile. Officials claim it features a maneuverable re-entry vehicle capable of high-speed atmospheric flight. While detailed performance data remains limited, it is described as part of Iran's effort to enhance penetration capability against advanced air and missile defense networks. The Fateh-2 is reported to be an evolution of the Fateh-1 concept, potentially incorporating a hypersonic glide vehicle design. Intended to provide greater maneuverability and extended engagement flexibility, it symbolizes Iran's ambitions in advanced missile development. The Khalij Fars, or Persian Gulf missile, is an anti-ship ballistic missile derived from the Fateh platform. With a range of approximately 300 kilometers, it is designed to target large naval vessels. Featuring terminal guidance for maritime strike missions, it represents a unique component of Iran's anti-access and area denial strategy in the Persian Gulf. The Hormuz-1 is a solid-fuel ballistic missile designed primarily for anti-radiation missions. Reportedly derived from the Fateh family, it is intended to target enemy radar systems and air defense installations, enhancing Iran's capability to suppress hostile air defenses. The Sumar is a long-range land attack cruise missile believed to be based on the KH-55 design. With an estimated range exceeding 1,000 kilometers, it is built for strategic precision strike missions, flying at low altitude to reduce detection. The Ya Ali is a land attack cruise missile with a reported range of around 700 kilometers. Compact and ground-launched, it provides Iran with a mobile precision strike capability against fixed targets. The Talaya is an anti-ship cruise missile developed for naval warfare. Designed for sea-skimming flight profiles, it enhances coastal defense and maritime strike capability. The Abu Mahdi is a long-range anti-ship cruise missile reportedly capable of reaching distances of up to 1,000 kilometers. Designed for maritime strike missions, it is part of Iran's anti-access strategy in regional waters. The Meshkat is described as a long-range cruise missile project, potentially adaptable for air, sea, or ground launch platforms. It represents an expansion of Iran's precision-guided strike development efforts. The Paveh is a newer generation long-range cruise missile introduced as part of Iran's evolving strike systems. It is reported to feature extended range and improved guidance for deep penetration missions. The Hovise is a land attack cruise missile with a reported range of approximately 1,350 kilometers. Designed for precision targeting at extended distances, it operates at low altitude to minimize detection. The Noor is an anti-ship cruise missile derived from the Chinese C-802 platform. With a range of roughly 120 to 170 kilometers depending on variant, it is widely deployed across naval and coastal defense units. The Qatar is an upgraded anti-ship cruise missile with extended range compared to the Noor, reportedly exceeding 200 kilometers. It is designed for sea-skimming approach and improved resistance to electronic countermeasures. The Zafar is a lightweight anti-ship cruise missile developed for short-range maritime strike. Compact and deployable on smaller naval vessels, it supports coastal defense operations. The Nazar is a short-range anti-ship cruise missile designed to engage smaller naval targets. It can be launched from ships or coastal batteries, providing flexible tactical deployment. The Kawsar is a short-range anti-ship missile system intended for fast attack craft and coastal defense units. Compact and radar-guided, it strengthens close-range maritime strike capability. The Bavar 373 is Iran's long-range surface-to-air missile system, designed as a domestically developed alternative to advanced foreign air defense platforms. It is capable of engaging multiple aerial targets, including aircraft and ballistic missiles, at extended ranges. The system represents a key pillar of Iran's strategic air defense network. The Sayed 4 is a long-range surface-to-air missile used within the Bavar 373 system. It is designed for high-altitude interception and long-distance engagement of aircraft and missile threats. The S-300 PMU-2 Favorite is a Russian-made long-range air defense system delivered to Iran to strengthen its strategic air defense capability. It is designed to intercept aircraft, cruise missiles, and certain ballistic missile threats at significant distances. The Khordad 15 is a medium to long-range air defense system equipped with phased array radar. It is capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously and engaging aircraft and unmanned aerial vehicles. The Rod is a medium-range mobile surface-to-air missile system designed for tactical air defense. It enhances battlefield protection against aircraft and drones. The Ter-2 missile is associated with the Rod system and provides medium-range interception capability against aerial threats. The Talash air defense system integrates long-range radar and missile components to expand layered air defense coverage against high-altitude targets. The Mirsad is a medium-range, surface-to-air missile system derived from earlier Hawk designs. It is used to defend key infrastructure and military installations. The Yazara is a short-range air defense system designed for point defense against low-altitude aircraft and drones. The Tor M1 is a Russian-built short-range air defense system designed to counter precision-guided munitions, aircraft, and unmanned systems at close range. The HQ-2 is an older long-range air defense system derived from the Soviet S-75 design. Though largely outdated, it contributed to the early foundation of Iran's air defense structure. The C-130 Hercules is a four-engine military transport aircraft used for cargo, troop transport, and logistical missions. It remains a core asset in Iran's airlift capability. The Boeing 707 serves in tanker and transport roles, supporting aerial refueling and long-range logistical operations. The Boeing 717 is primarily used for transport and government operations within Iran's aviation fleet. The Il-76 is a heavy strategic airlifter capable of transporting large cargo loads and military equipment over long distances. The Antonov N-74 is a short takeoff and landing transport aircraft designed for operations in austere environments. The Y-12 is a light utility transport aircraft used for short-range logistics and support missions. The Fokker 100 operates primarily in passenger and government transport roles within the national aviation fleet. The AH-1J Cobra is a twin-engine attack helicopter used for close air support and anti-armor missions. The Bell 214 is a medium utility helicopter used for transport, logistics, and support operations. The Bell 206 is a light helicopter primarily used for training and liaison missions. The CH-47 Chinook is a heavy-lift helicopter capable of transporting troops, artillery, and heavy equipment. The Mi-17 is a versatile medium transport helicopter used for troop transport and logistical support. The Mi-171 is an upgraded variant of the Mi-17, offering improved avionics and operational capability. The Shahed 278 is a light utility helicopter developed domestically, intended for reconnaissance and support roles. The Shahed 285 is a light attack and reconnaissance helicopter platform designed for armed patrol and tactical missions. The Kilo-class submarines are diesel-electric attack submarines originally built in Russia. Designed for stealth and anti-ship warfare, they are capable of launching torpedoes and anti-ship cruise missiles. These submarines form the backbone of Iran's underwater deterrent capability in the Persian Gulf and surrounding waters. The Fateh class is an indigenous, semi-heavy diesel-electric submarine developed by Iran. Designed for coastal and regional operations, it is capable of deploying torpedoes and naval mines, enhancing Iran's domestic submarine production capability. The Ghadir class is a midget submarine optimized for shallow water operations. Compact and difficult to detect, it is suited for asymmetric naval warfare, mine deployment, and close-range torpedo attacks. The Nahang class is a smaller coastal submarine platform designed for special missions and littoral operations. Its role is believed to include transport and tactical underwater tasks. The Alvand-class frigates are British-built warships delivered before 1979 and later modernized domestically. They serve as multi-role surface combatants equipped with anti-ship missiles and naval guns. IRIN's Dina is a domestically built Moji-class frigate designed for extended-range operations. It features anti-ship missiles, air defense systems, and helicopter capability, reflecting Iran's efforts to expand blue water naval presence. Iris Zagros is a newer surface combatant platform designed to strengthen Iran's regional maritime defense. It represents ongoing modernization within the fleet. Jamaran is the lead ship of the Moj-class frigates. Equipped with anti-ship missiles, air defense systems, and naval artillery, it marked a milestone in Iran's domestic warship construction program. The Vosper Mk-5 Corvettes are older British-designed surface combatants upgraded for missile warfare. They continue to serve in patrol and limited combat roles. The Bayandor-class corvettes are light surface combatants used for patrol and coastal defense missions, equipped with naval guns and missile systems. Damavand was a Moj-class frigate assigned to the Caspian Sea. Designed for multi-role operations, it contributed to Iran's northern maritime presence. Sahand is a domestically produced frigate equipped with anti-ship missiles, torpedoes, and electronic warfare systems. It reflects Iran's focus on expanding indigenous naval capabilities. Daylaman is a newer addition to the Moj-class family, featuring updated radar and missile systems to enhance regional maritime defense. The Kaman-class missile boats are fast attack craft equipped with anti-ship cruise missiles. Designed for high-speed engagements, they play a key role in coastal defense strategy. Iris Zara is a Sina-class fast attack craft armed with anti-ship missiles and naval guns, designed for rapid response operations in confined waters. The Shahid Soleimani class is a modern trimaran hull corvette operated by the IRGC Navy. Designed for high-speed and missile warfare, it carries anti-ship missiles and advanced sensors. The Abu Mahdi al-Mohandas class is a missile corvette designed for extended-range maritime strike missions, forming part of Iran's layered naval deterrence. Makan is a forward base and support ship designed to extend naval operational endurance. It provides logistics, maintenance support, and operational flexibility for long-range deployments.